Set in Biesenthal, Germany, the 18-square-meter Raus Cabin Model II was designed by Sigurd Larsen for Raus in 2022. Its compact volume is carefully positioned within the forest, using large windows and sliding glass doors to bring the surrounding landscape directly into the living experience. Inside, the cabin focuses on essential functions within a single open space. A kitchen and living area share the main zone, while a queen-size bed and bunk bed provide sleeping areas without unnecessary partitions. The layout keeps the small footprint practical while maintaining a sense of openness. The cabin is designed around its views. Large openings frame the forest horizontally, while skylights create views toward the treetops above. This layered connection makes the landscape feel like an extension of the compact interior, showing how carefully placed openings can expand the perception of space. A modern, black interior helps minimize reflections on the glass and keeps attention directed toward the surrounding nature. Together with the open plan, sliding doors, and skylights, the design demonstrates a simple strategy for small space living. Keep the essentials, reduce visual clutter, and let the landscape become part of the architecture.